Hey everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you a website called CSS Battle in which you can make your own designs and test your own CSS skills. So it is called CSS Battle, and I am learning some designs like from previous few days, and let me show the website. So this is the website called CSS Battle. You can check it out. It's an awesome website, and as you can see here, you can also play online, and as you can see 94 players are already online. So we are not going to play online today, we are replicating a design today. Okay, so you can also check it out by yourself and to test your own CSS skills. So let me just show you what we are replicating today. So we are making this design. Let me show you. Yes, this one, as you can see here, the number 28, this design we are going to replicate it, and you will see what are the ways you can replicate it, what is the way, and you can also learn some new concept of CSS. So let me just start. Okay, so as you can see here, we are given a red box, or you can say a orange red box. This is the default box in all of the designs. You will get this box and you have to replicate this one. Okay, so as you can see here, we can also compare it by our design. Okay, so let's just start. And as you can see here, the bottom one, there are all the colors used in the design. Okay, so first of all, let's start. And by this design, I am assuming that we need 8 divs. Okay, 8 divs. As you can see, there are 8 figures in which 4 are circles and 4 are square with round edges. So we have to do styling work. So first of all, we need 4 divs, so let's make them 4 divs. So just copy this one and then paste, paste 4. Okay, so we need 8. Okay, 8. Wait a second, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and one more. Okay, so yes, we have now completed our divs. And okay, so before this, let's just copy this, or maybe let's just make a p element. Okay, the paragraph element, and I will tell you what the reason behind this later. So let's just copy this and paste it after fourth one. So I am trying to make a grid. Okay, so it will be a very simple to make the position of these divs. So after fourth one, we have to put another, oops, nope. So we have to put another one and another one. So what is happening? Okay, so and another one, and at last also we was we don't need, what I am doing, I am pressing CTRL plus P all the time. Okay, so and we will copy this all and we will paste it in a div. Okay, we will paste it in a div. So we have to make a div first, and let me tell you, this is not like VS Code in which you will get automatic recommendations of the divs or the closing tags. You have to type all the things on your own. Okay, so yeah, I have written all the divs and p's in this div, and I will give it a id called container, not container, a short from cont, cont. Okay, and okay, so some of our work is done. Now let's style the id. Okay, the cont id. First of all, remove these, we don't need this. Okay, So first of all we have to make the display, what does the display, flex. Okay, and no, not flex, oops, grid. Okay, we have to display grid, and then grid template columns. I'm not sure what the spelling is. Templates columns template. No, the spelling is incorrect, that's why it is showing in red. Template columns, yes, it is this correct. So this is a problem in this, you do not get the recommendations. And okay, so the grid template columns, and I will type, so there are 6 in the upper row and 6 in the below row, so I will type 1fr 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 for okay, 1fr 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 1fr, so 6 times. And you are not seeing this, not, you are not able to see anything because I have not defined the div. Okay, so first of all I have to define that. So width equals 100 pixel, height, oops, heights equal 100 pixel, and then background color. Okay, background color, and we will take this one. As for now we have to change it for the other one, we will do that later. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so you can see this, it is not looking great, but let me just put some margin. Okay, margin and of 2 pixel. So as you can see, it is showing 4 boxes. Why it is showing 4 boxes? Okay, so let me just cut this width. Okay. So as you can see, this one, it is overlapping with the back one. So what is the problem? Oh, okay, I have not given the ID to the individual, so I have to give that. So let's say we need 4 circles and 4 squares with round edges, but we need also the different colors also. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, let me just copy this, and in place of P, let's just add the divs also. Okay, the P will not work. Okay, the P will not work, I just forgot that. Okay, so I think this will work, and the gaps, okay, the gaps between these and the edges will now come. And yes, I think this will do the job. And as you can see, yep, okay, width, let me just say 100 VW. Oh, oops. Okay, so what is happening? mm, Okay. Okay. Okay, and now what we need to give them an ID. Okay, all of them. So the this one and this one, what is this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth one. So the first and sixth, I will give them the ID 1. No, let's just say circle and green. Okay, circle and green, I will this one ID. So I've just written the short form. So I have to give the first and sixth one. Okay, so first is this, second, third, fourth, these are not, fifth, sixth, so this one. Okay, and then the second and fifth one, the second and fifth one, I have to give yellow and not circle, round. Okay, let's just say round. And we have to give the same ID to what, to the fifth one, I think. Okay, yes, the fifth one. So this one right here. And then the third one, which is round green. So round green. Okay, round green this is. And the same goes for the last one, the eighth one, um, this one. Okay, this one. And yes, and the only left is, yep, the circle yellow one. Okay, so let me just do that, the circle yellow. Okay, and the same will be for the seventh one. Okay, the second last one, here it is. Okay, so now I think we are almost done with the ID, the naming, and let's just style them. So ID, um, circle green. Okay, circle green. Okay, so as you can see, the first and the this one, sixth one are appearing. And why are they so apart? I think because of the height. So I think height will be something around 50%. Okay, so we will work on that later. So let me just, okay, and background color, yeah, background color is fine. And border radius, okay, we need to give them a border radius of 100 pixel because to just make them round. And okay, so now we have to increase a little bit, they are very small. Nope, very big. I think this will work, 55 maybe, maybe, I don't know, or 50. Was 50 fine? Yes, I think this is fine. So okay, so let's just copy this and do the same with all the different ones. So we have done with circle green, then circle yellow. Okay, and now we need a yellow color, this one, and we paste here. Okay, we will paste here. Then round green. Okay, round green, and then round yellow, round yellow. Okay, yep, and we need this yellow color, let's paste it here. Okay, so now we are almost done, and let's just make the background the green color. So we need to make the body. Okay, we need to target the body and make the background color. So let's just copy this. Okay, so this one, this color. Okay, and now we need to make them round, the this one. Okay, so oh, you know what, we have to give individual id, not the circle yellow, circle green, not the round yellow, not green. We have to give the individual id, because as you can see here, this one, the second one, and the fifth one, I have give both them the id round yellow. But if I will target them, yes, we have to give them certain ids. So round yellow 1, okay, round yellow 1 and round yellow 2, okay, and the green, round green 1 and round green 2. Okay, so we need to copy round green and round yellow for both of the elements. So let's, oops, okay, so round green 1 and round green 2, and same for the yellow. So this is a round yellow 1 and this is a round yellow 2. Okay, and now we can round the edges, so let's do that. So first of all, so I will not give the border radius, instead I will give border top left. Okay, top left, and then just copy this and paste it, and also I think bottom right, maybe. Oh, okay, bottom. Okay, so we need top left and top right. Yep, not bottom left. So yeah, as you can see, one is done, and let's just copy this, and I have to paste in yellow one. Okay, okay, yellow one. Yep, we are now done. Not done, and okay, and now the yellow 2, and in this we just have to replace the top with bottom. Okay, and this will do the work, top with bottom. So yes, and I will copy this and paste it to the last element, the 8th element, which is round green 2, this one. So yes, as you can see, all the elements are exactly the same as this one. And now what we have to do, we have to give them a margin from top. Okay, so the whole container, so this is the whole container, and from margin from top. Okay, so let's just say 40 pixel. We have to give from top, right? Yep, from top. Okay, and as you can see, we can do that by just seeing here. Okay, just a little bit, no, 85 maybe, nope, 87, well, 86, no, 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 88. Okay, okay, so I think we have to give the margin, margin also. So what margin, let me just take a look. So grid gap. Okay, so I will define grid gap, this one. So grid gap 2 pixel, let's say 5 pixel, 50 pixel, no, not that. um, 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 okay, so let's just remove these. Okay, then id count, and under id count we will define, okay, under the id count we will define the uh, padding or margin, we can say. Under id count we will define the div, and then the margin 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 0 pixel. Okay, okay, so we have this will be 0, and we have to define these 10. Yep, this will work. Okay, so oops, so let's just say 5, 6, 10 maybe. um, well, yes, I think this will work. Okay, yep, this is fine, and we need to define the height. It is not perfect. Okay, so let's just leave it with 89.5. okay, we have wasted a lot of time here. So yeah, this is the tutorial, and let's submit it. Okay, before ending this video, let's submit it and see our score, how much we have matched, and it will give a percentage like how much we have matched. So let's just click submit, and okay, oh, as you can see 99.9% we are we have managed to match. So it is not 100%, as you can see there is a little wobbly. Okay, so I have to fix this height or maybe some other height. Okay, so I think you get the idea of how you can test your own CSS skills with this website. It is an awesome website, you can check it out. I will give the link in the description. And yes, this is the video. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you in the next one.